Alright, I'm going to show you how I refill these with waterproof ink, because the ink that comes with these parallel pens, it's not waterproof at all. And I was finding, like, even on a muggy day, my drawings started to have like this blurry edge that I for sure did not draw. Like it started getting cloudy. So I'm using, I think it's like Fisher's something ink. I just jammed it in here and I had to run once, and then this seems to hold it down pretty tight. So this is my crappy but very functional makeshift ink holder for transport. So open up one of your things and just carefully pop this guy out. And you'll notice there's like this wafer. Let's see if I can zoom. Can I focus? Can I zoom? Look at the camera. Like right around here. You can see it right there, like the side view. It's like a circle disc that when you push down it goes at an angle. So it's like a manhole, sewer drain cover. And yeah, you can see it pretty well there. So we're gonna have to use this syringe to kind of reach past it. Like that. And then you'll just like look through. Doesn't take a lot to fill up. And if you think you're going too far, you'll see it from the top as well. It's pretty good. And I just kind of go right to the manhole cover, wafer, cookie, whatever you want to call it. Or just like, I just cover it up and then tuck it back in there carefully. And you were good to go for quite a while. And then this comes with the kit. And I just carry it around in my wallet because every once in a while I do have to like carefully floss it. You can see like a little bit there because it does pick up, scrapes off paper fibers, and those over time like clog this up a little bit, like over drawings. So it doesn't even take that long, depending on the kind of paper you're using. And I'm just gonna whiz through these since it is what I have to do anyways. I'm gonna head to life drawing later today. And this pipette thing I think I've had since I was a kid, but it's just in my art kit. It came with an ant farm when I was little. Actually, maybe not even that little. I had one of those blue gel ant farms in college, and that was really fun to get home from class and just stare at them and listen to music. But it was really sad when it got down to one ant, and you can't tell it or comfort it as he just goes in circles. So sorry for the depressing story. Clean that one out. Again, got stuff on there. Two more. The green and the blue are my favorite because I do like a bit of a crazier, thicker, wider coverage. I know there's thinner ones, but I want to be able to just mass in. It looks pretty black, so it might already be full. Yeah, I believe I did fill this one the last drawing session. Just always make sure you get it all the way in there. There's no snapping or anything, but it is really snug, but still, just to be safe. And what is cool about this waterproof, I'll put a link or I'll overlay something. I forget the brand. It's on the tip of my tongue. It is, scared it away. Stays kind of like non-permanent until it hits water. So I think there's like a kind of chemical reaction with the fibers. Ooh, this one's missing the wafer. See, so maybe I might have popped that one out. It really makes a difference. maybe I should do it with the others. Yeah, if you have like fine tweezers, you can probably pluck that wafer thing out. Cool. 5 minutes. That is how you refill these guys and just give them a fresh reset. And put this thing in your wallet. Get ink on stuff. Doesn't matter. You're an artist. Own it. All right. Hope that helped. Bye. It was on the back side of this. I totally wrote on this. Noodler's waterproof ink. Yeah, that's the stuff.